Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Pillay, and today we're going to be looking at some of our spellings. Today we are going to be practicing some of our common exception words. Now, all of this week's spellings are common exception words, which means they do not follow the spelling patterns and rules that we have been learning. So you need to watch out and be very careful with your spelling. Can you read these words? Have a go, try reading these words. And then let's look at the spelling rule which they do not follow. So the digraph, which is made up of the E and the A, usually makes what phoneme, as in P. But here the E and the A is making the sound what? What sound is it making? Let's have a look. So the digraph E and A together usually makes the phoneme E, as in P. The digraph here is making the sound A. So when we sound this out, we'll say S, A, steak, G, R, A, great, B, R, A, break. Let's look at the next three words we've got here. Now the letter O usually makes the phoneme. What phoneme does that make usually? What does it make in orange? But in these words, is the O making the same sound? Let's have a look. The letter O usually makes the phoneme O, as in orange. But here the O is making the sound OO, which when we read the word, we say move, prove, improve. The letter S usually makes the phoneme S, as in socks. But here the S is making the sound sh, and we say show or sugar. Why is even a tricky word? The sound E is made with a split digraph, E, which usually comes in the middle or the end of a word. But here it is at the start, which makes it a tricky word. Why is I a tricky word? The phoneme I can be spelled with an I and an E, as in pie, a Y, as in sky, or IGH, as in night. And I, capital I, when we talk about I, talk about ourselves. But here the sound I is being made with the whole word I, and it's a totally different spelling. So you need to be really careful with this. This is the I's that we have two of and we use to see with. Let's see if we can solve some of these riddles. So I sound like I start with a digraph. Remember, digraph is made up of two letters, but my first sound is made with one letter. I wonder what that could be. Stir me in a cup of tea to make it taste better. What am I? Have a think. We'll get back to the answers in a minute. I sound like I have a vowel digraph in the middle of me. So remember, we said a digraph is two letters. Vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. I am a verb that you do in PE. Who remembers what a verb is? So a verb is a doing word. It's an action word. So what could I be? And in my last one, we've got, I have an accident with the sound A. If I happen to Mum's vase, what would she say? Ooh, what am I? So looking for a word that's got an A sound, a vowel digraph, and sound, one letter sound that sounds like a digraph. Let's have a look. If we look, we've got sugar, which got one letter at the front, but it makes a sh sound, which is a digraph. We've got move, it's got one letter, it's a verb, and it's a vowel digraph. And then we've got break, which looks like an E, but it sounds like an A. So here are this week's spellings to practice. You need to work hard to learn them because they are tricky. And remember all those rules we looked at. Now I've got a challenge for you. Can you write your own sentences with these words in? See if you can write two. Maybe write a story and think about using those words in the story. Remember to keep practicing your spellings and then use the words in your writing. Don't forget to do the challenge. Until next time, take care and stay safe.